आता थांबा.
Myself, Ritika Sanak. My group members are Tanvi Pawar, Ritik Vatamwar, and Vaibhav Mahapure. Today we are present our final year BTech project presentation. My project title is Solar Lake Pool Cleaner using microcontroller. It is used for the problem statement for collecting the garbage from the top of the pool and water. It is efficient. It is energy for collecting the garbage from the top of the pool as well as cost efficient. Thank you.
स्टार्ट.
My name is Ritik Vatamwar. I will be explain all components of the solar board. This is four solar panel. Two is connected in series, two is connected series, and all two is connected in parallel, and then connected to the rechargeable battery through the BMS system. BMS system to perform the charging and discharging through the plug, and then connected to the capacitor connector, and in this 328 atmega microcontroller, and in this is a SC05 Bluetooth model, and there is connected to two servo motor and one DC motor, and in this one is propeller and radar, and in this solar panel connected in two LDR sensor.
From Google Play Arduino Bluetooth. Then we have turn on the Bluetooth, then go to the Arduino Bluetooth, then search the SC05. Then we have switch mode. Then have we 6 indicate buttons, that's high, start, low, device 4, stop, device 6, left, center or right. We have start the process. Then we on that button then we have start the process. Then we use. Then we have also indicate the high button like that. Then his process, his speed is increasing the propellers. Then we have low the speed, and then stop the button. Then we have a radial that goes to left side. Then we click the button, then is go to left side. Then is center button, we click center button, then is going to center, and then have it right.
My name is Tanvi Pawar. I explain the advantages of solar panel.
Start.
Efficiency of solar panel, increased lifespan, low power consumption, recycling garbage which collected by robots.